Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. And so today I'm getting ready to do my first DIY that I want you all to see. But first of all, I'm going to do my morning scripture, my daily scripture. It is coming today from Psalms 34, verse 4 through 5. I prayed to the Lord, and he answered me. He freed me from all my fears. 34 and 4 Psalms. Thank you. Okay, if you can't find the color combs that you want, I went to Hobby Lobby. I found this chunky yarn, and I'm going to use it to make a comb tree.
Y'all, it's $7.99 at
Hobby Lobby's. Okay, so I already got it started from the top.
Hold on.
I'll be going all the way around, and you'll be able to find the chunky yarn at Hobby Lobby's. They may have it on sale right now. They have a lot on sale. But when we bought this a week or so ago, it was $7.99. And so all you have to do is keep wrapping around and around until it's finished. And after you get halfway there, then I'll be putting on, I'll have to use it with the glue gun. And I'll show you halfway there. And I'll put the glue down at him. I'm halfway, at the halfway point. But it's very easy. You just have to kind of keep it in line and a good hot glue gun. And sometimes if you don't want to use the glue gun, you can use the glue that you find in the tube, the glue, yeah, that you can use also.
Super glue. Yes.
I know sometimes people don't like to use glue guns, and you can just use super glue or whatever that will keep it on there for you. But these are very easy to do. So I'm going to get almost halfway there. Then I'll be putting another drop or so on here to hold it just a little further down at the halfway mark.
Y'all, it's a whole lot of ribbon on here. I mean, a lot. She got enough to make a whole lot of Christmas DIYs.
Okay. All right, so now I'm about halfway there. And I'm going to be right here. So I'll be putting just a little bit on here. It doesn't take very much, just a few drops. Just a drop or so. Okay.
Y'all, the combs came from Amazon. I think it was four for
Give me a pen.
I believe I'm gonna say $13.99. If I can find the link, I'll leave it under there.
Okay. Okay. So now I'll continue to go around.
And you can do this with bling wrap. You can do it with anything. We were just changing our colors up this year, so we needed something.
Just go round and round and round.
So we decided to do a bunch of DIYs since we know how to do them and save ourselves some coins.
Same color. It's good to purchase the chuck yarn, and then you can have a lot of them in the same color. Not only the combs, you can even do the some little trees and stuff like that also, if you would like. But I'm going to show you something else later, and I have this on. But this was real quick, and I think if you want to go out to store looking for something that you can use real quick to do it yourself, instead of buying them, you can buy enough yarn to do several things and still have yarn left to do whatever you would like to do with.
So, like I said, since we're changing colors and not doing all white, we had to figure some stuff out without spending so much money that we don't have to spend. So it's like doing a DIY on a budget, really.
All right, well, I'm getting ready now to put just a little bit more of the glue on it. I got to push it all together here. Okay. She's gonna hold it while I get the glue gun. Okay. Okay. And where I'll be getting ready to cut it off. So.
And I know y'all done seen people make these 1,000 times, but we just, like I said, we just needed some combs, and it was just so high.
Okay. All right, so I've got it underneath here. I'm going to put one little drop more so that will stay under there. Just a little bit.
And y'all fold the end so it don't ravel. Yeah, also if y'all have older combs that you've been having and you want to redo them for this Christmas, this is another little DIY project you can also do. Put them on some of your old combs that you're not using the color for.
If you want to decorate them again.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now that is one right there. So now I'm going to do another one. This is completed. Okay.
So she's done with that one, y'all. All
Okay.
Right.
I'm getting ready to do the white one now, so the glue is still pretty hot at the top. So.
The angels did say, what a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay.
And also decorate these also. You can like find some little bitty lights they have. You can add more from Amazon, or you can go, obviously they have the lights in the package. You just put them down there. If I decide to put some on there, I want to show you this first, and then if I decide to put some on there, I'll come back later and I'll put them on there. Let you see how to do that also. So I just want to get this one done so you guys can see these. And if you want to go out and find some of the yarn and know where to get it, or not even yarn, whatever you like to put on there to make these combs or your trees or whatever. About at the halfway mark, just a little bit more. And I'll be able to put a little bit more glue on and keep them on there. Okay. Once you get halfway there, then that's when you do it. If you think it's gonna, you're not gonna make it halfway there. But most times that's all you have to do because it always goes together. You just take it using the post-it, and it's very simple. It just takes a little while longer for your poster boards to be wrapped around and get in the form that you want them in. But I'm almost getting around to the end of it, okay? So now I'll be getting ready to
The angels did say was to certain poor shepherds in the fields as they lay. Numbers know well, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds
Go around.
in the fields as they lay.
I have my glue around right here. So I'm going to be pushing it down right here where I put the hot glue right here. Glue on the bottom so I can fold it under where it won't be raveling from the end, okay? Okay. This glue is so hot, these little rubber bands are supposed to keep it from being so hot, but it's still pretty warm. So now this is the combs that I have, one red one and one white. So now, if you want to put something on them, you can. I may put lights on them after later on. I haven't decided yet, but I want you to see how to store it. But if I decide to put finishing touches on them, I may not put finishing touches on these. I may just make some more and put finishing touches on those. And that way, you will know exactly how to put whatever you like. I mean, if you have old jewelry or something of that sort and want to decorate with old earrings, old necklaces, or whatever, then that will help it also to make, because I mean, you know what color decors you're going to use in your house. So if you have extra color decor or lights or something you want to put on it, but I will show you something else with the others as I'll be making them. So I thank you all for looking at this one, and have a blessed day with the rest, and I will return with some more sometime later on the next video. Thank you so much, with all my love, from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Bye-bye.